I see the watermen, the firemen, policemen strike. Them the strike, they a joke. Soldiers and the lawyers and the doctors strike. Them the stadium. You know, wait till when most of the strike. Most of the strike, because I watch what the fuck with them.
Y'all know, too many days are not gonna pass before me post a Ninja Man video. So here we go. And this one is a blast from the past. Haha. Enjoy the videos.
Look how me need, look how me sweet. Make me hear you say gun panty move. Look how me need, look how me sweet. Make me hear. Hold on. Kiss me neck back, what them talking? Me and the girl I want me carry this thing. Kiss me neck back, what them talking?
The ninja say must kiss me neck back and gun panty. Run it, ninja.
Me and the girl I want me carry this thing, boy move. Oh no, take me simple, boy move. Oh no, go get to no cover. Now no ready for the done. Ready for the gargan. Hold on, Derek. Hold on.
This was 1990 Sting. The same year he almost end Shabba Ranks' career. I believe this was before, this was before Shabba came out. Remember, Shabba come out, blazing, ninja bow, and almost getting head chop off.
DJ! Me tell you no sound up to come here tonight. Leng, specialist. And all this stuff very massive. You don't see a DJ if you're dead today. You don't come and sing or work alone. Me come here to kill people. Where them there?
Take time, Gaga.
If you want a DJ, well, up, bow down. Do a hesitate or Shabba right now. If you want a DJ, if you treat girl sweet, don't jump around the valley gun pan. Because make me hear you say gun panty. Jump back. Watch out. A reality no.
In later interviews, Ninja Man said a Shabba provoke him, a Shabba come out and say about ninja bow, that's why I'm have to kill Shabba. But here we are, before Shabba came out, Ninja Man say Shabba bow. Did I hear correct? Ninja a troublemaker. I'm an artist but a troublemaker.
A reality no one, let me hear you say that Gorgon. Let me tell you a reality no one. Derry, them a talk about Gilbert, but Gilbert was just a warning. And them a talk about Flora, but Flora was just a warning. And them say 79 blood was a warning. Derek, watch out. I see the watermen, the firemen, policemen strike. Them the strike, they a joke. Soldiers and the lawyers and the doctors strike. Them the stadium. You know, wait till when most of the strike. Most of the strike, because I watch what the fuck with them. Let me tell you when Master got strike. 3 months a day and 1 month a night. Can you imagine in your eyesight? You was 1 whole month but a night. Tell me if them the same thing right. Jump around your love almighty tonight. Let me. Hey, hold on. Me want to know. If you not decide to tell Ninja Man boy one stage show. I want to hear you boo Ninja. Me say no say boo, no call me name, boo. Them say boo to me a stay fire.
Yo, here tomorrow love him. You just gotta love this dude. This man rather. Yo, Ninja a comedian, you know, man. The man say he never get boo yet. Gonna boo me right now. Then the people they say boo, the man come off and see it. Real entertainer. But yeah, this was the year Shabba Ranks' career almost ended by Ninja Man. Another classic performance by Ninja. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you enjoy it, leave a like, leave a comment, share with your exes and your friends. Subscribe if you haven't. Turn on the notification bell. Bless.